friends, and welcome to today's video where you are going to be prepping with me to go on my ski tour course. So we are doing a 5-day ski tour in Wells Gray Provincial Park here in British Columbia. So it's basically an intro to ski touring, an intro to avalanche terrain. We're gonna get our AST level 2 course out of the way. We're gonna do a lot of companion rescue, route planning, transceiver practice, all that sort of stuff. So I thought I would show you my process of getting ready for my field courses at university because it can be a bit hectic. So tomorrow we are doing a field trip, just a day trip out to Sun Peaks, where we're gonna do a little bit of practice just out of bounds of the resort, just so we have our companion rescue dialed before we go into the real backcountry, especially because right now the avalanche risk is pretty considerable in British Columbia. Today is January 12th, so if you are a regular tour, you know how it is right now, even in the interior. Tomorrow's a practice day, so I don't have to worry too much about packing, but I need to do all of my food prep tonight. I have to cook for 12 people, and I'm also gonna start to get together my gear, because I think I'm just gonna wear like my not so good gear tomorrow, so I can just be all packed up and have no stress before we head out on the big journey. So right now I just got back from class, so I'm relaxing, but I think I'm gonna clean my apartment and then we're going to get into the packing. The only way I can get any chores done is if I turn it into a dance party. I honestly don't know if I want to pack my clothing and get that all ready first or do the food. I think I'm gonna do the clothing because that's gonna be easier. The food's gonna be a lot of work. So let's get some of the clothes ready. So, let's turn the lights on in here. Actually, I just did a bunch of PR unboxings, so I should probably clean that up. Hey, don't look at that. That's a raffle prize for an event I'm throwing. I literally hate packing so much. So far, this is my clothes. To start off, we have 3 pairs of gloves, my snow kit, so that's my shell and my pants shell, then a down jacket, a fleece. Those are a pair of base layer pants, a pair of fleece pants, sports bra and underwear, a buff. We have 3 pairs of ski socks and 1 pair of regular chill socks. We've got a bathing suit because there's a sauna, and a tiny little towel, 2 top base layers, another fleece insulating layer. This is a cotton shirt and some Lululemon pants for hanging out around the hut. And then I have my Tevas. I really like them because they're super light to bring into the hut as like my camp shoes, a baseball hat, and then a sleeping bag liner. But I still have so much more to add to this pile. And originally I was hoping it would all fit into this with food. I don't think that's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna need more than 1 bag. I'm pretty bored of like doing all the clothing stuff, so I think I'm gonna move on to start prepping the food. So I'm partnering up with a friend and we're making quesadillas for 12 people. So the easiest thing to do is to like pre-cut everything, so then it's like a lot less work when we get there, so. You're wondering why I'm grading 3 blocks of cheese is because 1 block of cheese was $2 and a bag of already grated cheese was like $6. So this is what we're doing, okay? Hello friends. Actually, it's the next day. I look really exhausted because we just had our first day out ski touring, teaching us how to put on our skins, how to walk, companion rescue, and that sort of thing. So now it's finally the time to start packing my stuff. So I bought this. It was $8. Extra dry bag. Oh, this is why it was $8. I thought it was gonna be so much bigger. So the way I'm organizing it right now is I'm putting all my clothing into this dry bag because my bag does have like a DWR coating on it, which is durable water repellents, which means that like it should keep my stuff dry. But honestly, you never know, and I would really hate to come back to the ski hut and have my clothes be wet. And this is also just like easy to keep everything contained. So far I've packed a bathing suit, a really tiny pack towel, 2 pairs of ski socks. I'm gonna wear one tomorrow. I have a pair of comfy socks. I have an extra sports bra on all my underwear. I'm gonna wear one base layer tomorrow and one fleece layer tomorrow. And so I'm just packing extras. So I'm gonna pack one extra of everything. So one extra bottom, base, and fleece. So that is all going in here as well. And then my comfy clothes for around the hut. So I just have like a cotton t-shirt and some Lululemon pants because I was gonna bring sweatpants, but I don't have any that can really like fold down really nice. So I just have, like I said, some Lululemon. I brought my flare leggings. I like them, they're cute. And I have my toiletries in this little bag. I have travel size of everything just to save on weight. Like, yeah, there is a hut, so like it's tempting to bring more stuff, but that's just stuff that's gonna be heavy in your pack, right? So, okay, well, if that wasn't recording, I'm not stoked, but basically I'm putting all my paper goods in a plastic bag. So I have my field books, my evaluator, my rescue card, my maps of where we're gonna go. I'm gonna put a pen and a pencil inside, and also my compass. Just gonna find a pencil and then I'm gonna seal this up. A lot of my stuff from the day needs to dry before I pack it all up. So I think I'm gonna get started on packing, like putting together what I wanna bring for food. All right, honestly, packing food is probably, like, well, if it's for myself, is one of my favorite things to do. I think that's just because when I'm like shopping for like a trip, I know that you need like a lot more calories, so I literally just go nuts like I'm a child in the grocery store. For example, we have Scooby-Doo snacks and Rice Krispie squares. Of course, like literally protein cookies. If I could get any sponsorship in the world, it would really have to be with these Lenny and Larry protein cookies because I bring them on every single freaking like backpacking outdoor trip ever. Go-Go squeezes, some jerky, you know, Cliff Bars, Honey Stingers, Smart Sweets. I also have some real food. I have apples and carrots and stuff. So basically, I think I'm gonna try and separate each into like a bag for the day, which is like what I like to do to make it more organized in my pack. Ziplocs are your best friend. And yes, I reused my Ziplocs, so don't come at me. Okay guys, so I realized that I never truly finished filming what I brought with me for my ski touring trip, and luckily I still haven't fully unpacked. So I'm gonna go through unpacking and show you like actually everything that I brought. So I already returned my transceiver and my probe to the gear bay, so I don't have those with me. So obviously I brought those, and also my skins are put away because I dried them out, so that is also done. But the rest of the stuff I basically have here. The only other things I took out were like my food and my toiletries. So of course I have my shovel. This is the Mammoth shovel. I don't know the exact model, I'll put it on the screen. But it's super light and it's pink, so I really enjoy it. Oh, I also brought a second backpack. I toured up with my 45-liter backpack. Not my 45, my 65-liter backpack with my 45-liter inside, so I could use this for day tours. And then what we got in here? I honestly didn't bring that much stuff. I have my poles. These are the G3 pivot poles. I really like them, especially for splitboarding, because when you're splitboarding, you want to have a pole that's really light and compactable, because obviously you're not like a skier, you don't ride with them down, so you want them to be able to fit in your pack. So I really liked these ones, so I tried them out. I also, of course, brought my splitboard and my helmet and goggles, but those are all out as I've used them. I have my hut shoes. I just brought my Tevas, again, because they're super light and they don't take up a lot of space. In my dry bag is now dirty laundry. And into the top here, what do we have? Another pair of mitts. Well, those are liner gloves. Oh, look. I used shampoo bottles to carry the syrup up for one of the breakfasts. I had pancakes for breakfast, so I just got shampoo bottles. Super great way. Supergoop sunscreen. I love that stuff. Snacks. batteries for my headlamp and for my transceiver, and of course my peak performance clip that I use on my backpack to take pictures. And then we have sunglasses, hair elastics, and a phone charger that I connect to my portable charger. Wow. Water bottle. I guess that's basically it. Well, that wasn't as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. Right now I'm filming a week in my life as an adventure student. So if you wanna be the first one to see that, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.